My name is Klajd Lika. I was born in Tirana in Albania, and with my parents we moved when I was 6 to Athens, Greece, where I grew up. I studied mechanical engineering there in the National Technical University of Athens. I got part of the control system laboratory there, where I had my master thesis done, and the master thesis know-how that I got, I used it to create the product that today we're selling today here. I was working 3 years in research for legged robots, for robots that they walk, advanced robotics, and in parallel I was doing this thing as a side project on my own, on my spare time. And in 2016 I started my PhD in Athens in robotics, but I quit it very fast since I got this opportunity to come in Switzerland to be able to make my company and my project. And we incorporated the company along with my co-founders Ilias Patsiauras and Marco Hutter, the robots and the machines, to have the mechanosensation, let's say, the sensitivity that humans have to safely interact with other objects, to understand that the machine came in contact with something else, and this enables many applications. For example, a direct analogy I would say is the IMU. The IMU is another sensor, type of sensor. We have hardware every day, let's say, here in a startup environment. But if we see back in the days, I mean, we can identify some of them that were crucial. So, for example, we were at some point, we didn't know how to proceed. We had this technology, we had this product, we didn't have funding enough to be able to market it or to be able to be operational. And the early adopters were usually research laboratories in robotic laboratories, that they wanted to see a new type of sensor, smaller, in range, with integrated, highly integrated with electronics and in one device, rather than something that they would have as a laboratory equipment back in the days. So success so far, I mean, like, we consider ourselves a success because our company has been able to survive as a startup for the last 2.5 years in Switzerland, not only from funds and fundraising, but we also have had customers. So we have actual business. Now we're 10 people in the company. And for the future, we want to become an international corporation.